Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to send a folder in WhatsApp. Friends, if you have many files in a folder and you want to send that folder to a friend on WhatsApp, then you simply need to open web.whatsapp.com on your PC. Now here you need to use a simple trick. Now go to your folder, like my folder is on desktop. Now I want to send this folder to my friend on WhatsApp. To do so, I simply need to compress this folder. To do so, I will right click on the folder and here I will select send to. In send to, I need to click on compress zip folder. Now it will compress the folder and make a zip folder. Now it has made a new zip folder. Now I simply need to drag this folder in my WhatsApp. Like I want to send this folder to my friend Yuval. Then I will simply drop this folder in Yuval's chat window and press on the send button. Like you can see, my folder is pretty big of 49 MB. Now friends, as you can see, my zip folder is sent in WhatsApp. So friends, like this you can very easily send a folder in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.